Hi students, how are you all? I am very happy to meet you through this video session. This is S. Naveen Kumar, your computer science teacher from Bardasana Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now we are going to see 11th standard computer applications. In this session, we are going to see the chapter number 6, an introduction to word processor. Okay, in this word processor concepts, we are going to see the concepts of OpenOffice Writer. Okay, now I recap the previous session. What are the concepts we are discussed in previous session? Create a new document. How will you create a new document? What is the shortcut to create a new document? It is a very simple way. What is the shortcut, students? Yeah, very good. Control plus N. What is that? Control plus N. And what are the parts of the window, writer window? Title bar, menu bar, toolbar, and work area, and status bar, and entering a text. What is the meaning of entering a text? Type the text in a work area, that is called entering a text. And moving within a document. Moving within a document means the insertion point. The insertion point means flashing vertical bar. That flashing vertical bar want to move all over the work area of a document. And save a document. What is the shortcut to save a document? Yeah, very good. What is that? Control plus S. And which menu is used to save a document? File menu. Very good. And now we are going to see editing a document. What is the meaning of editing? Very simple. Editing means making some changes. Making some changes in a document. Why we want to make some changes in a document? If there is any error or there is any mistakes available in that document, that should be changed with the help of editing a document. What are the keys we use editing a document? Two keys are used to editing a document. What are the keys? One is the backspace key and another one is the delete key. And next one is selecting a text. How we can select a text? That is two way. Selecting the text using keyboard and selecting the text using mouse, and some shortcuts also. Yes. Next one, copying the text. Copying the text means the text should be present in both source place and as well as destination place. And moving a text means it should be present in only the destination place alone. Okay. What are the shortcuts we are used? Copying a text. Yeah, very good. In copying a text means Control plus C, and moving a text, that is cut. That is cut. Moving a text means cut. What is the shortcut? Control plus X. Copy means it should be present both source place and destination place, and moving a text means it should be present only the destination place. These concepts are discussed now practically.
Now we are going to see editing a text and selecting a text and copying a text, moving a text. These concepts are discussed practical manner. Okay, first of all, we want to edit a text. What is the meaning of editing? We want to change, that is called edit. Make changes in an existing document is called editing. For example, here before we are see the concept of editing, we are going to see what is word wrap. Word wrap means word wrap. What is the meaning of word wrap? The text can be automatically reaches the end of the line. It moves to the next line automatically. A text can be reaches the end of the line. For example, a text can be reaches end of the line. It will automatically without pressing enter key. Automatically. Are you seeing that now? Automatically moves to the next line. That is called word wrap. Are you seeing now? For example, automatically moves. When I am typing the content, it will automatically moves to the next line. That means they reach the end of the line, it will move automatically. So this is called word wrap. Now we are going to see text editing. Editing means we want to change some text and then we want to change the format also. Here I want to select the content. How will you select the content? We want to select the content using two ways: selecting the text using keyboard and selecting the text using mouse. And first of all, we want to select the content using mouse. Move the insertion point. This is the insertion point. That is, for example, that flashing vertical bar is the insertion point. Move the insertion point to the start of the text to be selected. Start means beginning of the text. Here before B, you can make a click. Just to make a click. Here the cursor will be placed here, and then click the left click on mouse and drag how much content you want to select and drag and release the left mouse button of a mouse and select make a text as bold and select as justified or centered. All the text should be in centered alignment. Okay, this is the one of the way for selecting a text. Or you want to select a text particular word. For example, in that particular word only you want to select means you can move the insertion point in anywhere in a particular word and make a double click. Make a double click means it will automatically selected, and make a text as bold means which shortcut Control B. And you want to select a text using keyboard. You can long press the shift key and use the arrow keys. Use the arrow keys. Okay, use the arrow keys. Here we are selecting up to the document. Suppose you no need to select means you can release the button. Yes, make a selection using what? Keyboard. Okay, and this is the selecting a text. This is the way for selecting a text. How many ways to select a text? Want to select a text using two ways. What are the ways? One is the text can be selected using keyboard and mouse. Keyboard means you can use a shift key and arrow keys, and mouse means you can use a left click and drag. Okay, this is the way for selecting a text.
In the below description, we have attached the study material and self-assessment question paper. You can go through these videos and you can prepare for that exam and then evaluate with yourself with the help of self-assessment question paper. This is the sample self-assessment question paper. This elaborate could be attached in the below description. Thank you, students. We will see in the next session.